Ever wondered why your meticulously crafted content isn't ranking on top of search results? The secret lies in a key process known as content optimization for search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO isn't just about keywords or backlinks. It's an intricate dance of quality content, user engagement, and strategic thinking. At the heart of this dance is content optimization, a crucial step in getting your website noticed by search engine algorithms. Scene script. Imagine you've just baked a batch of delicious cookies. But what good are they if no one knows they exist? That's where content optimization comes in. It's the equivalent of putting a sign on your door that says, "Fresh cookies here," and ensuring that sign is visible from every street corner. So, how do we optimize content for SEO? Firstly, start with thorough keyword research. It's essential to understand what your audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help identify popular keywords in your niche. Use these keywords naturally within your content, including in the title, subtitles, and throughout the body text. Next, focus on creating high-quality content. Make sure it's original, engaging, and provides real value to your audience. Remember, it's not about stuffing your content with keywords, but about creating content that people want to read and share. Furthermore, take advantage of meta descriptions and title tags. These are snippets of text that describe what your content is about and are often displayed in search engine results. Make them compelling to encourage click-throughs. Don't forget about optimizing your images too. Use relevant file names and alt text to make sure search engines understand what they're about. Lastly, make your content easy to read. Break it up into short paragraphs and use bullet points where necessary. This not only helps search engines understand your content, but also improves user experience. So to recap, content optimization for SEO isn't about tricking search engines, but about creating high-quality content that is easily discoverable and provides value to your audience. It starts with keyword research, followed by the creation of engaging original content. Don't forget the importance of meta descriptions and title tags, and remember to optimize your images. And finally, make your content easy to read and user-friendly. Content optimization is an ongoing process, not a one-and-done task. It requires consistent effort, testing, and adjustment. But with time and dedication, your content could rise to the top of search engine results, bringing with it increased visibility and traffic. So go ahead, put on your SEO hat, and start optimizing your content today. After all, those delicious cookies aren't going to sell themselves, are they?